Привет, друзья! Как дела? Today we are going to talk about possessive pronouns. Firstly, I would like to explain you what is that. Possessive pronouns indicate belonging. We use possessive pronouns when we talk about the owner of the object. And possessive pronouns answer question whose. Let's check some examples. Чей это стол? Это мой стол. Whose table is that? This is my table. Чья это собака? Это моя собака. Whose dog is this? This is my dog. So let's look at the table. So here is the table, and we can see that there are 4 forms of possessive pronoun my, depending on the gender and number. So if noun is masculine and we want to say my would sound like мой, мой. Мой кот, мой кот. If noun is feminine and you would like to say my, then you will say моя, моя. And the example, моя картина, моя картина. If noun is neuter and you want to say my, it will sound like моё, моё. For example, моё дерево, моё дерево. And plural form for my will sound like мои, мои. For example, мои коты, мои коты. Мои картины, мои картины. Мои деревья, мои деревья. If you want to say your in formal construction when you talk to one person, masculine form will sound like твой, твой. Твой кот, твой кот. Feminine form will sound like твоя, твоя. Твоя картина, твоя картина. If noun is neuter, then possessive pronoun your will sound like this. Твоё, твоё. Твоё дерево, твоё дерево. And if noun is plural, then possessive pronoun your will sound like this. Твои, твои. Твои коты, твои картины, твои деревья. There are 4 forms of possessive pronoun our. If noun is masculine, we will say наш, наш кот, наш кот. If noun is feminine, then our will sound like наша, наша. Наша картина, наша картина. If noun is neuter, then possessive pronoun our will sound like наше, наше. Наше дерево, наше дерево. And if noun is plural, then our will be наши, наши. For example, наши коты, наши картины, наши деревья. If you would like to say your, using formal construction or when you talk to a lot of people, then this possessive pronoun will sound like ваш if the noun is masculine. Ваш кот, ваш кот. If the noun is feminine, possessive pronoun your will sound like ваша, ваша. Ваша картина, ваша картина. If noun is neuter, your will be ваше, ваше. Ваше дерево, ваше дерево. And if noun is plural, possessive pronoun your will sound like this. Ваши, ваши. Ваши коты, ваши картины, ваши деревья. And now we are going to talk about possessive pronouns his, her, and their. So his sounds like его, her, ее, and their is их. All these possessive pronouns, they are the same for all the genders and numbers. So let's check some examples. Его кот, his cat. Его картина, his picture. Его дерево, his tree. Его коты, his cats. Его картины, his pictures, and его деревья, his trees. So you can see that его is the same for all the genders and numbers. The next one is ее, her. It's also the same for all the genders and numbers. Ее кот, ее картина, ее дерево. Ее коты, ее картины, ее деревья. And the last possessive pronoun, их, which means their. It also stays the same for all the genders and numbers. Их кот, их картина, их дерево. Их коты, их картины, их деревья. And I would like to sum up this table with the following information. Such possessive pronouns as my, your, our, and your plural, they take the gender, the number, and the case of the nouns they qualify. Thank you for watching this video. Спасибо. You're doing really great job. I'm really proud of you that you are learning the Russian language. Keep it up and see you in the next video. Пока-пока!